The application originally enabled users to clean unwanted objects, stage rooms in different styles, and add furniture or decor to interior photos using AI-powered prompts. It made producing high-quality, photorealistic visuals fast and intuitive for real estate listings and interior design mockups. The platform has extended to support generating new camera angles and dynamic videos from a single image. Users can control the azimuth, elevation, and zoom to create realistic views from eye level, floor level, or top-down perspectives. These views can be animated into smooth videos, enabling virtual walkthroughs and immersive interior presentations. Now, the new feature converts 2D images into 3D models using point-based selections. Users can upload or select an image, place positive green and negative red points to define what to include or exclude, and add the text prompt. Clicking Convert to 3D sends the image points and prompt to the SAM3 API, which returns a textured GLB file. The app stores the GLB URL in local storage and displays it in view mode using Google's Model Viewer with interactive controls. The original image remains in the thumbnail strip, allowing users to revisit the generated 3D model later. This is especially useful when you want to order a furniture item but don't know its exact shape. You can generate a 3D model from a photo to visualize and verify dimensions before placing your order. The model reconstructs the complete geometry and textures, producing textures GLB file you can view and rotate from any angle. Point placement uses normalized coordinates from 0 to 1 and converts them to pixel values only when calling the API. SAM3 can also reconstruct full 3D models from partially visible objects by combining visible point cues with learned 3D shape pairs, inferring hidden or occluded geometry and textures. Let's test the application by selecting the armchair with the fur throw blanket on it. I marked the armchair with positive points and the fur throw blanket with negative points to exclude it from the final GBL file. The prompt is armchair, converting to 3D. You can see that the 3D Armchair GBL file is loaded. It can be viewed interactively using Google's Model Viewer. This time we will select the table with positive and negative points and run it.